Hello, welcome. My name is Walter. We have a question here in front of us. We need to solve for x and y. They gave us 6 power x plus 6 power y. This is equal to 42. And x plus y, this is equal to 3. I will call this equation 1. And I'm going to call this equation 2. In this question, I'm going to use elimination method. I'm going to eliminate y and solve for x by multiplying by 6 power x throughout in equation number 1, and then I'll substitute equation number 2 to eliminate y. Multiply equation 1 by 6 power x. That is going to be 6 power x multiplied by 6 power x plus 6 power x multiplied by 6 power y. This is equal to 42 multiplied by 6 power x. But from identity, a power m multiplied by a power n, this is equal to a power m plus n. I'm going to use this identity to combine x and y. That is going to be 6 power x plus 6 power x plus y. This is equal to 42 multiplied by 6 power x. 6 power 2x plus 6 power x plus y. This is equal to 42 multiplied by 6 power x. But 6 power 2x can be written as 6 power x power 2 plus 6 power x plus y. This is equal to 42 times 6 power x. Now we have 6 power x here and 6 power x over here. We are going to let 6 power x is equal to n. And also we know from question number 2, x plus y, this is equal to 3. I'm going to substitute this one into this equation. 6 power x equal to n, but n square plus 6 power x plus y, but x plus y is equal to 3. That is going to be 6 power 3. This is equal to 42. 6 power x, it is n. Now, n square plus 6 cubic is 216. This is equal to 42n. I'm going to form an equation here. I'll bring 42 to the other side. That is going to be n square minus 42n plus 216. This is equal to 0. I'm going to factorize by splitting the middle term. That is 216 is the same as 6 multiplied by 36. But since I have minus 42 here, this 6 is going to be negative and 36 is going to be negative. Negative 6 and negative 36, it gives us negative 42. And negative 6 multiplied by negative 36 is going to give us 216. Now, n square minus 6n minus 36n plus 216, this is equal to 0. I'm going to factorize. I will factor out n. It's going to remain n minus 6. I will factor out minus 36 is going to remain any minus 6. This is equal to 0. Now here we have any minus 36 and any minus 6. This is equal to 0. Now I'm going to equate each factor equal to 0. Any minus 36, this is equal to 0. That is, any is equal to 36. And any minus 6, this is equal to 0. I'll get any is equal to 6. But remember, we let 6 power x is equal to any. Now take any equal to 36. 6 power x is equal to 36. 6 power x is equal to 6 square. If the base are the same, the power are the same, so x is equal to 2. But from equation number 2, x plus y is equal to 3. X is equal to 2. Now 2 plus y is equal to 3. We get y is equal to 3, take away 2. 3, take away 2. We get y is equal to 1. So, our first solution when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. That is our first solution. Let us find the second solution when n is equal to 6. I'm going to substitute 6 power x is equal to 6. 6 power x is equal to 6 power 1. If the base are the same, the power is the same also. So x is equal to 1. From equation number 2, x plus y, this is equal to 3. I'm going to find the value of y by substituting x is equal to 1. 1 plus y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 minus 1. We get y is equal to 2. Our second solution, when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.